Hi, my name is Atul, and I'm a cybersecurity enthusiast. And recently, I came across one of the website which is OverTheWire, and this website has a lot of online challenges. So I'm actually going to work on one of them, which is Natas. So, okay, if you see this website, there are different levels. There are total 34 levels, and you need to start with level 0 and go right up to level 34. So if you see this, they have also given a brief description about this war game and what exactly we need to do. And yeah, let's see like the basic description that they have given. So the main goal of this war game is to teach the basic of server-side web security, and it also says that there are different levels, and each level consists of its own website, which is located at this particular location, and there's no SSH login. So to access a level, we need to enter a username and password, and then we'll be able to once we are able to log into that level, we need to find out the password for next level. Also, it says that we need to obtain the next password, and these passwords are stored in /etc /natus underscore webpass. And yeah, that's it. So let's dive right into our first challenge. So if you see, we are already provided with the username and password for the first level, or I would say there's level 0. So let's check that. Okay, so the password, username and password for the first level is Natas 0 and 0. So, okay, so I'm logged into level 0. Now it says that you can find the password for the next level on this page. Um, Now, if you say that I cannot see anything over here, so I'll first check the source code of this uh, web application or this page. And yeah, see, we have found the password, username and password for this. So I'll open a Word document and I will save the username and password for the next level over here. All right, so I think we are done with the level 0. Now we can log into level 1. So let's go to level 1. We have the URL and we have the username here. So let's see. Okay, we've been given a pop-up, so we'll type Natus1, and then password we have received from level 0. So we'll put the password and we'll try to sign in. All right, we are able to log in. Now it says that you can find the password for next level on this page, but right clicking has been blocked. So if I right click, it tells us that the right clicking has been blocked. So what we can do is there's a shortcut, like a keyboard shortcut, through which we can see the source code of the page. Uh, that is like Control and U. So if you press Control and U, you'll be able to see the uh, view source, basically what we see after right clicking. Okay, bingo. I think we have the password for the next level as well. So I'll save that password over here. And I think I, I'm not sure, like it's a best part or a worst part, but you cannot skip levels in this challenge. So if you want to basically go to level 6, you have to come and follow the sequence where you will first go to level 0, then level 1, then level 2, and so on to level the various level that we have over here. So yeah, I think that's it for my first video. We have unlocked till level 1. We've received password for level 2 as well. So I think I'll be guiding you for the other levels in my next video. Thank you for watching.